Coach Tony, head basketball coach at Wycliffe College, originally from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I can honestly say basketball has been a huge part of my life since a young age. Before pursuing a professional career, I played 4 years collegiately in America in NCAA Division III and NAIA Division II. I spent majority of my professional career in Italy, playing in A2 and Serie C. I was fortunate enough in my first year to win a championship with strong side Serie C Machano. My professional career was cut short due to me wanting to pursue another career in building and developing basketball programs and creating pathways for young athletes. At Wycliffe, we have a very unique basketball program. We have the prep and the senior school, which focuses on individual and team skill development. Also introducing a style of coaching where players have been learning and progressing at a rapid rate. As the boys program continues to grow, we're now looking to develop the girls program alongside it at Wycliffe. Wycliffe has such a strong international interest where we now have players from all around the globe, each individual bringing their own style of play to the program. And then once you kind of sit back, it's pretty amazing to see when it all comes together. The prep school trains weekly, focusing strength and developing their fundamentals. In addition, preparing for senior basketball, who also train weekly. They also compete against other prestigious schools in the area. And to be honest, I'm actually excited to see the growth in the basketball in Wycliffe as we continue to develop and build the program. I truly believe the potential here is endless.